How to upload an Excel file to Canva. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you how we can upload a Excel file and start editing it in Canva. Now this could be a little bit problematic because well, you can actually do it, but at the same time the editing is not really going to always be the same, and it's not always going to be perfect. You will need to take a little bit of time to actually adjust the little details. But without further ado, I'm just going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to show you two different ways to do so. And to start, we can just go ahead and go to canva.com. And I'm just going to be using this example Excel that I just got from the internet. So let's say I just want to upload this one. We can just go to canva.com, click on the upload on this section here on the top right. And then from here, you would want to just click on choose files. Just go ahead and locate your Excel file that you want to upload, which is this one in my case. And now it should import your file. It shouldn't really take a lot of time. It's this one right here. So just go ahead and open it up. And you can see now, if we just zoom in a little bit, that yeah, it does not really look the best because, you know, we don't really have any lines in between. It does not really look like a table, but it's just, you know, text, and it's not really the best. Sometimes it's actually a lot better than this. It's just going to showcase the entire section for you, the entire table and everything. But if you have it as my case here, where it's just only text, there's another way to do so, which is going to be a lot better. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do so. First, I'm just going to remove this entire thing. If you just go to File, move to Trash. Okay, so the other method is if you go to canva.com, click on Create a Design, and just go ahead and click or create a basically a blank design here. I'm just going to use a banner just for the time being. So we should have this blank page here. Now, what we need to do is actually open up the Excel file and copy all the contents within it and then paste it over here. So I'm just going to do that right now. So here's the actual Excel file, and I have just opened it up. So what you need to do is just copy the entire thing that you want to add to your Canva. So this entire section I'm going to actually add. Highlight it by just holding left click from the top left until the bottom right of the what you actually need to include. And just go ahead and right click and copy it, or just Control C for a much quicker way. And then we can just go back to our Canva design, which is the blank page, and just go ahead and actually paste it in here by doing Control V, or, well, right click and then just paste. Now we can just make it bigger by doing this, and we can also make it bigger like that. But then you can see we have the table, we have the text and everything, but the text is a little bit, like, not a little bit, but actually it's way too small. So you would want to actually adjust the size of the text by just highlighting it and then just, you know, making it bigger. Yeah, good luck with that. Like I said, it's not always the best, but we are going to work with what we have. So just go ahead and highlight the text and make it bigger. So this is two different ways to actually upload an Excel file to your Canva. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching. And also, before I end, you can also change the colors of the tables here. Just in case you actually wanted to do that, you can just go to the color tab here and you can actually just change it. So yeah, thanks for watching.